Hello guys, welcome back to my channel BS Tech. Guys, in my last video I covered the linear pattern, okay, but some option were left here, okay, so I will complete now which were remaining in my last video, okay. So first of all we will click on linear pattern. These are the option which I was talking about, direction 2 and pattern sheet only, okay. So we will complete these in this video, okay. So first of all we will click direction 1, then direction 2, okay, and we will do the pattern this body, okay. You can see the preview. In direction 1 the pattern is being done, okay, but not in second direction. So why? Because we have not added the instances here, okay, because it is single, that's why. So we will add 5 instances in this, okay. Now need to see here, all pattern are here which we have done with the direction 1. These all are coming in direction 2, okay. So I don't want these type of pattern here. I want only this direction and this direction, not these. What will we do for this? We will click on pattern sheet only, okay. Okay guys, these were option were left in my last video and I have completed now. So it's mean linear pattern almost completed, okay. What happened? Okay, it was click on this one, that's why it was not finished. So we will click on spacing and instance. And about the up to reference, I have told my last video. You can see that video, okay. So okay, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.